So far though, I think they're chasing shad, so anything that looks out like that would be best. Hold on, just missing one. Come here, Bubba. Come here. Caught that on the green Yamamoto. I was gonna switch it to the shad, and are they biting today? That's what's up.
Well, the green looks like a bluegill, so it still looks like a bait fish. That one that hit somewhere right behind me there in them trees. Let me see if I can throw it.
Right there, both of them I've caught has been right on that shade line.
Yeah, they're using it as an ambush line.
Yep. The shad? Yeah. Yeah, there's something working. Got one. Come here, little guy. Mm-hmm. Not nothing huge, but I'll take it.
Little butt bass.
There, Bubba. Thank you, sir.
They'll probably go in the bed back there. There might be a female back there.
Hardcore right there. She sees a spot and has to get out and fish it. Oh. But y'all, this is the stuff I live for right here. Beautiful day with my wife, out fishing. The fish are active. I mean, I don't know how much better it gets. It's a decent sized one too. He's fighting me damn good. Oh yeah, that's a good one. I got it on a Ned rig. Look here. I need my net. Yeah, I know. Yes. Huh? Yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, this is a her. Looky there. That you want one? It's that Max Scent, that Berkeley.
Oh my God, these are.
Come here, girl. Little guy. Well, Josie sent some luck to me and it worked. Hey, little guys. I love little guys, huh? His damn. He's had a hard life. He's all beat up. I caught that on that same thing, Ned rigging. Well, babe, we've done it now. They finally caught up to us.
Is that what that is? Black rock?
I think so. Look at that. America, baby. Oh yeah. Sounds like freedom.